Hello everyone, so I bought this camera today, hybrid PT camera from Hikvision. Let's see if I can zoom here. You can see the model. So this is the model here. Okay, I'm going to unbox it. Okay, let's see what we got inside. It does have a user manual here. It does have a template, drill template, screws, and a waterproof connector. So this is the camera itself. Okay, you can use a SD card inside, as you can see. Let me plug it and activate it. So I'm using SCDP tool to activate it. I'm gonna plug it. The network cable, it's a PoE switch. The lights are on the camera. Let's refresh. You can hear it. Can you hear? As you can see, this is the one here. I'm gonna activate it. Wow, it's rotating around. I like this. I'm gonna put a password here. I'm gonna activate it. Okay. I'm gonna put my email in case if I forget the password. I'm gonna give it an IP address. 78 by default is 64. I'm gonna change the IP. Okay. Now let's log in on this camera and see. Let me try Edge. Hello. There you go. This is me. PTZ. You can see it go up. That is the one you can see. Very nice. You see, back and go down. See, see, see. Back. Very nice. and on, and then, yeah,